I'm confident by the end of this week we will have delivered 120,000 vaccines to Fiji. My Prime Minister is absolutely fair dinkum about helping Fiji out during this dreadful pandemic. As you know, he has a particular affinity with Fiji, having visited many times in a private capacity, including as recently as 2019 when he visited twice officially as well. He also came here for a holiday. So he's been coming here for years. He loves Fiji, and he is determined that we will deliver on our 1 million dose pledge. And I expect him to write to Prime Minister Bainimarama either this week or early next week, setting out a schedule for the delivery of vaccines. So thank you for hosting us this morning. I know you're very busy with Parliament. Can I again congratulate you, Minister, and your department or ministry for the work that is going into containing this dreadful virus, the selfless work, and also the work being done by the RFMF and the Fiji Police Force. As I mentioned to you a moment ago, my minister met with the head of the WHO, Tedros, in early May, and she highlighted to him the success that Fiji has had over the last 14 months in dealing with this virus.
Thank you.
You have done an outstanding job and you continue to do so, so thank you.
Thank you, Naka. On behalf of the Fijian government and the Fijian people, we thank our Wale Australia for the gift of vaccines and also for the commitment of 1 million doses. That together with the commitment that's come through from COVAX, New Zealand and other multilateral partners will really ensure that we meet the target population and also the ability to actually, when children or adolescents, when they do reach 18, then or whatever age that's applicable to them, they can be vaccinated. The vaccines are a very important layer, as we all would know, in terms of our containment strategy. We also want to make sure that we work very effectively in supporting the economic growth of our nation.
Yes.
And this will actually be very useful in that strategy. One thing that's very clear is that our vaccine deployment plan and the micro-planning that's happened for it is very robust. I've always talked about how we were able to vaccinate 350,000 and more of our target population for measles in a short time. This is different in terms of how labor intensive it is, but I'm very proud of our people on the ground and the work that they've done, and certainly that by going out into the field under tents, wherever they are, those pictures are sending messages back to Australia that it's being well used. And so again, we thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Minister. Thank you.